Hey guys, welcome back to another What CKC Wants. I'm CKC, and in this video we're going to do a print and cut of a full sheet. So let's jump right in. As you can tell, I'm going to upload my image. I'm going to use a simple image because I want to make a logo stickers. This, when you're uploading, is to only, transparent you want. So I made the mistake of transparent the inside as well as the outside. Big mistake. So only transparent what you need. Now that you uploaded your image, I'm going to use a 1 inch for my image. So I'm going to shrink this down. Next is the big thing. Here's the secret to utilizing your full sheet of paper. Is to do a square sheet of a 6.75 width and a 9.25 height. That way it will be your layout for all your images. Whether you're doing logos or you have different images you want to be a sticker. That is the size to really utilize it. Alright? So I'm going to speed this up and I'm going to get my image together. So now I'm going to remove everything I don't need, and that's a total of 48 stickers I managed to fit in one sheet. I'm going to highlight everything and I'm going to flatten. You can use attach, you can use flatten, it will both do the same. Look how much space we are utilizing. Like, if you've done it before and you wonder what happened, you can tell the difference. Now, when you print, you may want to know what's the difference between add bleed and you don't. Here's an example of a bled. Here's an example of clean lines. You decide. And after that, you just carry on like you normally would with the cutting out of the material. I hope you found this video helpful, and for your next video, thanks for watching. Follow me at Facebook page and my IG at WhatCKC Wants. Thanks for watching, guys.